Hello guys, welcome to Nascent Tutelage. Have you ever wanted a video in an audio form where you can just listen to it while you concentrate on other things, but you don't know how? Well, I guess you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be breaking it all down for you on how you can convert a video to an audio. But before that, if you do find our channel useful, don't forget to subscribe. So first things first, you need to open VLC on your computer. It works on the mobile phone as well. So if you have VLC on your mobile phone, you can still open it, as this process will still work for it. If you don't have VLC, just open your web browser, search for VLC and then download it. So first of all, open VLC on your device. Then once you open VLC, the next thing you want to look out for is the option on top of the player that says media. So click on the media, scroll down through the options and then select the option that says convert/save. Now when you open, it's going to take you to a new menu where you see an option that says add. You just click on that option to take you through your media files. Then you select the file or that you want to convert to an audio. So for this instance, I have a video here that I want to convert into an audio. So I'm going to select that particular one and then click on open. Now once you've added it, there is the option for you to add more videos. So just in case you have other videos that you want them to be in one form, or you want them all to be a single audio, you can add multiple videos, but I want to add just one video, so I'll leave it here. Then you are going to click on the option that says convert or save. Now when it opens a new sub menu, look at the option that says profile, then click on the drop down menu. Now you need to scroll down to the option that says audio or MP3. This is because you are going to choose the format that you want the new media file to be in. And because we want an audio file, we're going to click on that option, audio MP3. Now you need to browse through your device and then choose the location that you want to save this new audio, and then the name as well. So because I have the video already and it bears this name, I need to show some distinction. So I'll just add audio to the name so that I will know that this is the audio file. Then you click on save. So the last thing you do is that you click on the option that says start. So just like that, it has saved. So let's go back to the folder where we save this new audio file, and then let's play it and see. So downloads. So let's play the video first. Yeah, so that was the video we just played. Now let's play the audio file and see if it was successful when we converted it. Yeah, even though you can't hear the sound because I'm using just the output sound, this is the audio and it plays successfully. So it means that this has been successful. So just in case you want to share this with somebody, let's say I want to share it on WhatsApp. Once you choose the audio form, when sending the file, you see the audio there, then you'll be able to send it as audio. So that's just about it on how to convert a video to an audio. If you found this useful, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.